Hello student. In previous lecture we know some applications of double integration in Cartesian form. In this lecture we have going to learn some applications in polar coordinates. So our question is, find the area included between the curve r equal to a sin theta and r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So we are going to find the area between these two curves. Now we see the representation of those curves. So first, now r equal to a sin theta. So then we multiply r by both sides. So r square equal to a r sin theta. Then put r x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Then our x square plus y square is r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Then we take common r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So it will be r square. So our x square plus y square is r square and r sin theta is our y. So we put r square equal to x square plus y square and a r sin theta is a y. Then our x square plus y square minus 2 into y into a by 2. Then 2 get cancelled, then we get a y. So we multiply by 2 and divided by 2. Then we add a by 2 whole square and subtract a by 2 whole square. Then we get x square plus y minus a by 2 whole square equal to a square divided by 4, which represents a circle having center x minus 0 whole square and it will be y minus a by 2 whole square. So that is 0 a by 2 and radius is a by 2. So this is our circle. R equal to a sin theta is our circle whose center is 0 a by 2 and radius is a by 2. Let us find intersection point of these two curves. So given that r equal to a sin theta, let us find the points of intersection of the curves it is given by r equal to a sin theta and r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So that implies, put here r equal to a sin theta. So a sin theta equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So a get cancelled out. Then we get sin theta equal to 1 minus cos theta. So that will imply sin theta plus cos theta equal to 1. So now squaring both sides we get sin theta plus cos theta whole square, that is equal to 1. So next, that implies sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 into sin theta cos theta, that is equal to 1. Then that will imply sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is our sin 2 theta, that is equal to 1. So that implies sin theta equal to 0. So then our sin 2 theta equal to 0, then our 2 theta equal to 0 or pi. So that will imply theta equal to 0 or pi by 2. Next we see the diagram. So our first is r equal to a sin theta is our circle and r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta is our cardioid. So it is circle and cardioid. We see the diagram. So that is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Then our cardioid is this is our cardioid. Then our circle is 0, center is 0 a by 2 and radius is a by 2. So circle center is 0 a by 2 somewhere this, and radius is our a by 2. So this is our circle, and area enclosed by the region 0 a by 2 is this much. This is the area enclosed by that cardioid, that is r into a into 1 minus cos theta, and this is our r equal to a sin theta, and this point is minus 2a 0. Then we draw a line for finding the region, that is L, this to this we find the region. Then we see area enclosed by this in polar coordinates. So we know from the polar coordinates, that is a equal to double integration over r d theta dr. Then our r is from this to this, r is from a sin theta to a into 1 minus cos theta, r equal to a sin theta to a into 1 minus cos theta, and theta is from 0 to pi by 2. So theta is from 0 to pi by 2. First we integrate with respect to r, then we integrate with respect to theta. So this is our r dr into d theta. So that is equal to theta is from 0 to pi by 2, and that is r square by 2. So r square by 2, limit r is from a sin theta to a into 1 minus cos theta into d theta. That is equal to 1 by 2 go outside, then theta is from 0 to pi by 2, and r square is a square 1 minus cos theta whole square minus a square sin square theta, and it is d theta. That is equal to half into theta is from 0 to pi by 2, and a square goes outside. So here a square 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus sin square theta into d theta. So that is equal to, then we integrate a square divided by 2, then we integrate separately into, that is theta is from 0 to pi by 2 d theta plus theta is from 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta minus 2 theta is from 0 to pi by 2 cos theta d theta minus theta is from 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta. Its integration, that is equal to a square by 2 into theta, here we get theta, so there pi by 2 plus cos square theta, here we put reduction formula, so we get 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus 2 into cos theta is our sin theta, so sin theta, where theta is from 0 to pi by 2. Here also we get minus half into pi by 2. Then that 2 will be cancelled out, that is a square divided by 2 into pi by 2 minus 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So here we get minus 2. So then that is equal to, here we get a square pi divided by 4 minus a square. So a square get common, we get pi by 4 minus 1. This is the region bounded by the two curves a equal to r sin theta and r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta and r equal to a sin theta. So this is the result we get, the area bounded by the region. So any doubt in this lecture, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you students.